be like, Solo boy, you real crazy. Put your career on the line talking about this shit. Lose a couple fans and some views maybe, but in my heart, in my mind, you ain't just any bitch. First thing that I noticed was your sweet fragrance. You gave me a chance to show you what I'm about. Shit, I know with me you need a lot of patience. You said that you was down, you weren't walking out. Never thought I'd ever find my baby. All I love was money and the ladies. Never thought the 2nd of October would be the day that would change me. The day that all these other bitches hate me. The day that I sat you down and just looked at you. Chest was feeling congested. Always known for my confidence, now I'm scared of rejection. Looking back on the previous, finally learned my lesson. I could truly say that God sent me a blessing. Baby, you know.
P-E-R-F-E-C-T. Girl, that's what you mean to me. She's so worth it, so perfect.
And if this don't last forever, I still remember the single for all its chemistry. I'll never play you and tell you that I'ma take it back. Always remember you, truly my perfect memory. Always remember your body in this divine perfection. The way we listened to music while we was making love. The way you looked at me just so I could receive the message. The way you told me you loved me and couldn't get enough. Fuck it, we ain't gon' speak it in existence. If niggas wanna learn to pay attention. I told her that I loved her and not just said it, but really actually meant it. Some shit I didn't know I could be feeling, but I know she feeling me. Got me lit like a Christmas tree, excited like the kids be opening gifts on Christmas Eve. Damn, she be flexing, my baby fresher than Listerine. Love talking about her description, explain it vividly. Nigga, I didn't even say nigga.
She's down, she down.
I mean, I could truly say it. You got me, yeah. I mean, you got it.
MKS.
You perfect. You are 100.
You are so